Hi guys, it is time for another Butterfly Lane Designs subscription box. This one is the March box. So let's see what's in here. Oh, we got a mold. Little seashell trinket tray. How cute is that? That's our free gift. That is from Maple Street Supply. This is really pretty beachy, mermaidy. I love it already. So, let's get into it. We'll look at our decals first. Obviously, this goes with this, so we'll just pull those right together. This is the medium print of this one. It's an opaque vinyl. But isn't that adorable? Beach vibes. So, my favorite saying, I use this on my turtle ones all the time. To the ocean I go, to lose my mind and find my soul. This one has a mermaid. Beach babe. Splashy and sassy with a really cute dolphin. Don't be afraid to make waves. Another mermaid. Salty as a beach. Mermaid life with the messy bun. Mermaid kisses. Starfish wishes. Shell yeah. And kind of pissed about not being a mermaid. Very cute. So we have a half sheet that is little stripies. A half sheet of shells and starfish. These super bright shells. How pretty is that? This is the large print. It's what the letters denote up here. Some of hers have different sizes available. A half sheet of bubbles. A full sheet of bubbles. A half sheet of mermaid scales that are almost hearts. How cute is that? Very pastel-y. Shells and urchins and starfish. A glittery shell. Glittery mermaid scales. This is super pretty. Florals and corals. And these two are clear printed. This is really pretty. So you can tell the difference. I'm glad she did this way. This is the medium print. This is the large of this pattern, just so you can see the size difference. Some beach sand and a pastel-y sunset. So we are getting beachy this month. How fun. I love it all. I will definitely have some fun with this one. And I have a very messed up ombre over here that will be perfect for some of this. And I think I lost the whole first part of the footage of actually making the ombre. So yeah, we're going to probably cover it up and this will work great. So you'll be seeing these go on cups soon here. So the link will be down in the description below for Butterfly Lane Designs. After everybody has received these, she'll shortly drop these as individual items on the website. And if you order the subscription box, they usually go up for sale on the 1st of the month. You cannot use the discount code on that. If you use the discount code on the subscription boxes, you will have to cancel your order. They are already heavily discounted and at great value. So Please don't use the code. Just order it regularly. If you place a regular order, I would check out your sub box and your regular orders separately. If you don't, you won't be able to use the discount, and your other order will get held until the sub boxes are ready to go out. So order them separately. Don't use the discount on the sub box, and get in quick when she releases them, because depending on how many she releases, they have been selling out really, really fast. So that is it. Thank you, and I will see you next time.